3 days on from a first Premier League defeat of 2022 for Bruno Lage's Wolves, it's a visit to the other side from North London in Tottenham Hotspur and a ground of happy memories of a victory here in 2020. Bruno makes 2 changes from the side beaten by Arsenal. Out go Marçal and Trincao. In comes Reine Nouri and a first Premier League start for Luke Cundle, whilst the occasion is Ruben Neves' 200th Wolves appearance. Ball over the top looking for Lucas Moura. Saiss is with him and that'll be a comfortable take for Jose Sarr. Nouri's clearing header. It's going to find its way to Jimenez. There's space for Daniel Podence. If he can find him, he was looking for him. It's just a bit overhit by Raul Jimenez. The Wolves will be happy to see the open spaces that Jimenez and Podence found themselves in there. A little mistake that found its way to Raul Jimenez. And he was close to getting Podence in behind. Comfortable header away. This is Neves. Keeping things alive. Cody. Neves might open out for the strike on goal. It's going to come to Dendoncker. Lloris's touch. It's Raul Jimenez! Oh, brilliant! Absolutely brilliant from the Mexican sensation. The 53rd Wolves goal of his career on his 133rd Wolves appearance. A 39th goal in the Premier League for Raul Jimenez. And he's first from open play since November, and didn't he enjoy it? On a ground he scored on before. Now then, it's clean through. It's Son. Wolves trying to get the numbers back, and it's comfortable for Jose Sarr. Lloris. A bit of a mistake. He's put Davis under some pressure. And that clearance intercepted by Dendoncker. This is Semedo. Daniel Podence with the opportunity. It's ricocheted. It's going to fall to Dendoncker. It's Leander Dendoncker who's there. Wolves double their lead early on at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. 26 Premier League appearances without a goal ends for the brilliant Belgian. Podence's effort, it caused all sorts of issues, and the one man to follow it in was Leander Dendoncker. Speculative from Harry Kane, not troubling Jose Sarr. Found some room, got his shot away. It's going to drop here for Jimenez. That's a good strike and an equally good save by Hugo Lloris. He's full of confidence now, Raul Jimenez. Well, Jose Sarr had come and just about got something on it. Cody with the clearance. It was risky. And Kilman with a calm header back. He gambled, Jose Sarr, and the gamble paid off. Here's Son. Chance to shoot. Good save by the feet of Sarr. Son's effort met by the goalkeeper. Here's Semedo. Daniel Podence to strike it. Brilliant save. And Jimenez couldn't quite get to the follow-up. Podence's ball a little bit behind Semedo, but he followed in to offer the support, and he was close to a third. Here's Son. He's been the big danger for Spurs, and not this time. Jose Sarr well behind it. Watched it all the way. Here's Moura. It's going to come through to Kulusevski. What a challenge by Romain Saiss. Winks. Chance for Harry Kane. Oh, brilliant challenge from Saiss again. Spotted the danger. Got across and denied the England captain. He's been away at the Africa Cup of Nations. It's like he's not been away at all. Moura's delivery, Kane's header, that's easy for Jose Sarr. Here's Neves. Podence to his left, Jimenez is there in support as well. This is Raul Jimenez. couldn't quite find Pedence. Going to come back to Neves to strike it. Not far off, the deflection took it wide. Harry Kane. Not a bad effort, but easy for Jose Sarr. Jimenez. Dendoncker will keep chasing. Comes to Sanchez, nearly showed too much of it to Pedence, and it's Kundal who pounces, and Kundal finding Jimenez. Jimenez with a big opportunity, denied by Hugo Lloris. Maybe just hesitated a touch too long, the Mexican. Dendoncker. Son trying to get him behind, brilliant. Brilliant by Max Kilman. Stunning defending when it looked like Son was clean in on goal. What a season he's having. It's a perfect little through ball. But Kilman was there. Stretched out that long leg. There's Son. Options either side. This is Harry Kane. Kane to strike it, and again, well saved by Jose Sarr. He's been behind everything so far this afternoon. Wave after wave of Spurs attacks in this second half. With the Wolves' defence and their goalkeeper are keeping them at bay. Dangerous ball in. It's going to come to Winks to strike it. Oh, good effort. Really good effort. I think there's a deflection on the way through. Met it cleanly. Was a deflection. Needed it. Winks. Evades Jimenez. Kane. Oh, now then, it's come back to Harry Winks. Good interception by Kilman. And look at him beating one and trying to get away from two, and crudely pulled back in the end by Kulusevski. Absolutely brilliant by Max Kilman. One of the standout performances of the season. He just gets better and better. Big opportunity, Kulusevski couldn't find the target. Could not find the target. Flag stayed down, Davis in behind. It's not Spurs afternoon. Here's Kane. Good pressure applied by Luke Kundal. On his first Premier League start, the youngster up against the England captain did just enough. Wolves have had to defend and defend and defend, and there's the desire to get back and make the challenge. Here's Son. Emerson's ball, Kane's header blocked by Kilman. Away by Cody, not fully away just yet. Big header, big opportunity, and Christian Romero denied by Jose Sarr. He's working hard for his clean sheet. Either side of him might have been in trouble, but there, it's a good save. Bergwijn. Little deflection on it. Jose Sarr, oh, what's he doing? He's presented it to Kulusevski. It's Bergwijn, and somehow Wolves scramble the ball away. Winks. Back into that danger zone, away by Cody. And Chan Huang tries just to help it clear. And apologises to his teammates, Jose Sarr. Well, there's been cool and calm, and he's maybe taking it a step too far. You can forgive him one mistake. He's been so good today.